The numbers you learn in math class aren't just abstract exercises, they are the operating system of reality. Think about indices, those small, powerful numbers. They're the engine behind compound interest, where the formula A equals P times 1 plus R to the power of N shows how a small investment can grow exponentially. It's not the interest rate that creates immense wealth, but the power of N, time. Your money earns money on its own money, multiplying relentlessly over years. Now, switch scales from finance to construction. Here, we need absolute precision, which is where surds come in. An architect designing a diagonal path across a courtyard can't rely on a messy decimal like 5.656 meters. They use the exact value, 4√2 meters. This isn't just mathematical neatness. It prevents tiny rounding errors from cascading into costly real-world mistakes, ensuring every subsequent calculation is perfect. This need for precision scales up all the way to the cosmos. The distance from the Earth to the Sun is a staggering 1.5 times 10 to the power of 11 meters. Writing that out is a recipe for error. Scientific notation makes it manageable. When scientists calculate how long sunlight takes to reach us, a calculation with 20-something zeros becomes simple division and index subtraction. The answer? Just 500 seconds. And this mathematical language works in reverse too. Negative indices model decay, tracking the half-life of a radioactive isotope. This is how archaeologists use carbon-14 to date ancient fossils, reading a story written in atomic breakdown. So, from your savings account to the stars and back to the relics of the past, these aren't separate topics. They are the versatile tools you need to move from just doing math to using it to decode the world around you.